Let's put together a swing set from start to every part. First, consider who's going to use it. Age, weight, safety, all things to consider. Child care and preschools will have different needs and users in a public or neighborhood playground with a wide range of users. That gets us to swing seats. High-back bucket swing seats are appropriate for children up to 3 years old. They offer support and security. As children age, belt seats become the standard for both older children and adults. For children with special needs, the adaptive seat meets all ADA standards, and for larger kids and adults, we offer the high-capacity adaptive swing seat. It can handle up to 300 pounds. Let's move on to swing sets and frames. Spacing, size, and seat types help determine what you choose. Single post swings have one solid overhead bar and single post at both ends. One bay, 2, 3, or more, you decide based on your needs. Single post cantilever swings offer flexibility and a chance for young and old to swing side by side. A small child can swing safely and securely in bucket seats, while older kids and adults are in belt seats. You cannot have two different seat types in the same bay. That's where cantilever frames come in handy. The lower bar with bucket seats at one end or both ends lowers the seat and slows down the swing. This single post cantilever has bucket seats at both ends and two in the middle bay. Heavy-duty T-swings are just that, T-shaped. The cantilever swing typically has two bucket seats. It takes up very little room, perfect for small child care facilities. Arch post swings have become the most popular swing frame design and the most attractive. They really stand out on the playground. Again, you can have as many bays and seats as you need. Most adaptive seats are in a single bay, but two could work. The high-capacity adaptive swing has its own bay. Same for nest and tire swings, just one seat per bay. This single post swing with shade has 3 bays and 6 swings. It includes a smaller adaptive seat. Now let's get on to connecting your swing seat to the frame, starting with the swing set chain. Our steel swing chain is sold by the foot or the barrel up to 800 feet. But if you order a swing set with seats from us, the needed chains come with it. We also offer PVC-coated swing set chains in a range of colors. The swing hanger connects the top rail to the chain. It's bolted together in 2 places, making for a secure connection. Most swing hangers already have a clevis pendulum, which directly connects the hanger to the chain. Now, connect the bottom end of the chain to the seat using a shackle. You will need a clevis key or Allen wrench to lock and unlock the shackle, making it harder to tamper with. There are 2 kinds of shackles, a D shackle shaped like a D, and the H shackle connector shaped like an H. It's a little larger and works when a D shackle is too small. Swing sets get a lot of wear and tear. PlaygroundEquipment.com is replacement ready with a huge and ready-to-ship supply of new seats, chains, and hardware, because once you're in the swing of things, you just don't want to stop.
Woo. Woo.